Hello, hello, hi, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing great. So today topic is discipline. Why discipline? It's really important in our life. Discipline is really important because whatever we do in our life, for example, like in our personal life, professional life, discipline isn't just about just waking up early. Discipline is something that you do the work on the same time every day. Discipline is something when it comes to learn the language, disciplines really matter. There's no shortcut to learn any language. You have to give your proper time every day, 1 hour every day. In this way you will become fluent in this language. But if you will stop yourself and you are doing for 1 month and then you're feeling that you have become good at English, not nothing like that. If you will stop yourself in between and after practicing 1 month and 2 months and you're not feeling to just go forward, just do again the practice, do the more practice, then you will not be able to and you will forget of everything whatever you learn earlier. So for me, I think disciplines play a very crucial role in our life. If you want to do anything in life, you want to learn any skill, whatever you do in your life, disciplines is really matter in our life. For example, like I'm learning this language for a long time. For a long time I didn't gap any month. I didn't gap, and I was just doing continuously. That's why I'm able to speak here. That's why I'm able to express myself, articulate my feelings well. That is the main reason. That is the result it's showing here, and I'm able to speak. I'm just telling you that I really feel I didn't feel that I'll become fluent. I will be able to speak clearly in this language. I didn't feel, but my disciplines make me that person to speak in this language. Because discipline tell you, and discipline is like something that we learn from our school. For example, when we go to school, so first thing what we learn in school, we learn become disciplined for become we become disciplined. When we go to school, we go to school on the same time and we come back on the same time. So it make us a good person, and we just don't waste our time at all when we do all the things with discipline. Self discipline in our life is really crucial. On the other hand, I really want to say one thing, that discipline is just you take small step. Whatever you're learning, if you take small step, you can't do all the things simultaneously. If you will do this, it will be burden on your shoulder. And just if you do little thing every day, for example, if you are speaking, if you are a beginner in English, so you should start for 15 no 5 minutes, and you should start to every day you should speak 5 minutes. Any topic whatever you have given, you should speak 5 minutes at least, and gradually you should move 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and 30 minutes. In this way you should move to speak in English, and you will not feel any burden if you will do this kind of things activity, and you learn gradually. Okay, and you learn lots of things, you learn vocabulary, and then also when it comes to develop other skill, like with self discipline is reading, listening. So you should start from your small step. If you do this thing, so I am 100% sure you'll understand everything, you'll learn everything if you will do the thing in this way. And I swear that I did all the thing in this way. That's why I'm able to speak clearly, and whatever comes in my mind, I just speak spontaneously without any hesitance, without any fumbleness. So I think that is really important. On the other hand, if you are just learning, if I talk about like waking up early, so I think that waking up early 4 o'clock, it is not a discipline. You will do one day, 2 day, two and three third day, but then you'll just go from your old habit, like you'll wake up late. It is not a discipline. Just set one target, one time that is suitable for you, and it is convenient for you to wake up at that time. So just set that time and just wake up every day on the same time. So you will become self disciplined. You will become a good person, and you easily can do the work on the time if you will do every day. That is really important. That's really important. Sorry for repeating the word. And for me, waking up early, it's really very hard for me waking up early, but I try my best. I just think that I didn't set my time that early, too much early, like 4, 3. No, 4 it's enough, I think. 4 I didn't set the time for me. I just set the time like 6. Yeah, it is appropriate for me. It is convenient for me to wake up at that time. So I just wake up on the same time, and it has become my habit. It has become my habit. Now I don't feel any laziness while sleeping or while waking up at that time. So I think it is not about the time, how much early it is, how much late it is. It is the matter of doing the same thing every day. It is matter of time. It is matter of your actions. Do you do every day the same thing on that time or not? It is matter, I think. I do every day. I'm very disciplined of waking up early, waking up at 6 o'clock. I'm very disciplined. So now I can surely say that it is really helpful, and I really think that it will help you a lot if you'll do this thing. And you see like lots of learner, speaker, everyone say that what is the method we can learn English, we can learn language, any language we can learn easily. What is the secret behind of that? There's no secret, to be honest. Only self-discipline. This is the secret for learning any skill. And in terms of learning language, in terms of any skill, only self-discipline matter a lot. This is the method, and it is really hard, difficult to follow, but we have to push ourselves to follow this method. This is the strategy. This is the real strategy. If you will implement this, so you'll become a good person. You won't waste your time at all if you will do this thing. And on the other hand, I really want to say one thing, that self-discipline we learn from our childhood, and there are some something we are lacking, that waking up early, but there are some habit we develop from our childhood, and we are doing the same work, same thing like from our childhood. Now we are very comfortable with that, because we are doing from our past time, from our childhood time. We are doing from those things. That's why we don't feel uncomfortable. We feel comfortable. So I think if you will do with self-discipline, at least do 30 minutes, 30 days only. If you will do 30 days, and you will see the drastic change in yourself. Really, but just do it. If you will not see, you can just I don't know, but if you should have the trust on yourself, believe in yourself, and just you can do it anyway. If you are decided to do, if you are serious to do, so will you do at any rate. But you have to discipline. You have self-discipline. Like for example, one habit I have developed from my childhood, I still do that, and I feel comfortable with that. And there are really bad habit in me from my childhood it developed, but now I feel very regret. Why didn't I stop that habits from my childhood? But now what I think, that it has developed, but it will be very hard to break those habits. But I try my best still. I think that it took time to develop this habit, so it will also take time to remove these habits from my daily routine. And I am just doing the practice. English is something that you have to give your some time, some hours, like 1 hour. You have to just give 1 hour for English. Just listening, speaking and reading. Just give your time for those things. If you will give the time for those things every day, just decide any time which is your spare time, you feel free and you feel fresh, revitalized, then you can give your time 1 hour for those things, and you'll see the drastic change in yourself. But self-discipline, it's really matter. Any work, anything, it's really important. Sorry for that. And I also feel that what I think, self-discipline I didn't have from my childhood. Waking up early, doing the thing on the time, it didn't develop from my childhood. But when I grow up, when I realized that that's really bad habit to don't do the work every day, and when it comes to preparing for exam, like everything, all in all. So I used to feel regret why I was not self-disciplined, why I didn't do every day the work I was given by my school, why I didn't do that. I felt very bad. When I realized this thing, then I have worked on myself. I started to work on myself. And this is all the thing that if you will do and you will improve easily. I assure you that if you will do regular practice every day with discipline, so literally you'll improve. And there is no such method. No matter how much video you will watch about English learning, all the thing, if you are not self-disciplined, so what will work for you? Nothing will work for you. Nothing can work, and you can't grow if you are not self-disciplined. You have to be self-disciplined, no matter what. But you have to be. There's no other choice to. We feel that we blame others thing, we make an excuse, and lots of things we do. We do it because we don't want to come out from our comfort zone. That's why we just make such excuses. That excuses, then we feel regret after just making excuses, and we are not able to do the work every day. These all the things. When it comes to reading, for example, I'll give the example of reading. I was not good at reading. I didn't have habit of reading of books, and I was not disciplined to read the books every day. But when I heard about that it's really important to read, to get the knowledge, to understand the grammar, everything, all in all. So I thought that why I'm not trying to give a chance? I should give chance to me, chance to myself. That I just thought that I am very serious, I'm very passionate, so I have to do every day. I have to do every day, no matter what will happen. But I decided from my side, like from me, that I promised myself, and I thought that there is no strategy in my mind. There is no strategy will work. Only self-discipline work, and my consistency will work only. These are the method that will improve my English. I thought in my mind. Then I started to develop the habit of reading, started to develop the habit of listening, all the thing. When I started doing this thing, so I felt very happy. And then Whenever I wanted to develop any skill, any habit, so first I just do with consistency, with self discipline, and I get succeed. Yeah, this is something I really wanted to share with you. Now I have shared with you, and just do apply in your life as well. That will be very helpful for your in your life, professional and personal life. That really help you. So now I think it's enough, and thank you very much to watch my video till the end. And before ending this video, I want to say one thing, that really thanks a bunch. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye.